About one of the most important archaeological discoveries, which is the tomb of an emperor. Okay, now what is the name of the emperor? It is Qin Shi Huang. Okay, so this was the emperor whose tomb, it is one of the spectacular archaeological discoveries of China. Now it is larger than the Great Pyramid, which is in Egypt, which we have already studied in the Egyptian society. Now, children, it contains an army of how many soldiers? Around 8,000 soldiers. And these soldiers, they are standing in their full military dress according to their divisions and their ranks. And all these statues of the soldiers, they are made up of terracotta. Terracotta, it is a sort of clay with which the statues, etc., they were made in the olden time. You can see the picture of the Chinese pagoda. Okay. Now we move on to calendar. Now, the Chinese calendar, it was a mixture of the solar and the lunar calendar. How many months it had? It had 12 months, and each month was having 30 days. Okay. And a year, it had how many months? 12 months. That is 360 days used to make a year. And apart from this, how many days were adjusted? 5 days they were also adjusted in this calendar, just like the Indian calendar. Okay, which was by adding a month. Now, this in science and technology. Children, we have learned all these, I think so. Silk also we have learned that it was first produced in China. Okay, and the Chinese people, they used to wove a very high quality of silk from the silk thread. It means that the silk which was produced by the Chinese people, it was among the finest silk of that period. Okay, apart from that, silk and paper, they were the greatest contributions of the Chinese to the world. Apart from this, they also made many bronze vessels which were decorated with the figure of animals and dragons, statues of dancing girls, etc. Apart from that, we have already studied that they also developed the art of making pottery, which was made of a clay which was known as porcelain. This was also known as Chinaware. Okay, then they also created beautiful woodwork. Okay, now apart from this, they also made many developments in various branches of science. Various branches of science like physics, astronomy, mechanics, medicines, and mathematics. Okay, so they have developed the various branches of science. Apart from that, they also developed an instrument which was known as seismograph. Now, what is the instrument? It is an instrument which records and measures the waves of an earthquake. Okay. Then we have already studied that they also used both the solar and the lunar calendars. Apart from that, let us see which were their other inventions. They also made the mariner's compass.